Hello guys and welcome to EagleEyeFX. I'm so excited today to bring this video to you because remember I showed you this video, and if you look at my YouTube channel you will see this video. I shared this signal and this was actually before it played out, and I'm going to show you all the photos and everything and the results and how everything went. So this is very beautiful, this is powerful, and this is very simple. Okay guys, don't complicate things, trade simply. Okay, so guys, show me some love by liking this video, by subscribing to this channel, and by turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out every time I post a video. So I'm actually on Volatility 100 index, and if you can remember very well, I shared this signal, I shared this pattern, and I said I was actually down here and I was actually anticipating for a move to the upside. So Volatility 100, I'm actually on a daily, and I'm on a daily time frame. All right, let me just tell this. Okay, so I'm actually on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we came from up here. We had an impulse move. Let me increase the size maybe. Then I don't know if I can change the color, or you can be able to see that color. Let's use that. Okay, let's just stick to black. It's all right. Okay, so we had an impulse move, and then let's put this on the side. So we had this impulse move to the down. Okay, let's do that again. So we had an impulse move, then we have this correction, which was a bearish flag. Then we had an impulse move again, then we had another correction here, another flag, then we have a big impulse move to the downside, then we had this flag, then we had an impulse move, and now we had this flag that is going this way. I'm actually in the long term, I'm looking for sales up to down here. Okay, so that was what we had beautifully, and I told you that, you know, I was looking for buying opportunities. I remember I was looking for buying opportunities. So I was interested in this part over here and what the market was giving to me at this the current time. So you can see that it gave us a very nice pattern here on a daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Before we go to the 4 hours time frame, let me show you this. Okay, let me go first for the 4 hour time frame, and then I can show you something that I wanted to show you before. So you can see that on the 4 hour time frame, the pattern was very clear. The pattern was very clear like that. So if you can remember this, I don't know if you can remember this, but I gave this signal when this market was somewhere around here. Okay, so but I entered here, put my stop loss here, and I was actually anticipating this move to the upside. And you can see it when this little consolidation went up, we actually had a zero drawdown. Okay, it was a zero drawdown, and this was a very beautiful and powerful setup. And as you can see, there is no support or resistance or anything. It's just market structure and chart patterns. So that is key for me, because that was I trade. I used to trade support and resistance, but now I learned something new. And then I decided to apply it, and you can see that it's giving me a lot of results. I mean, I can see a lot of changes in my account financially. I mean, when I talk about financial, I'm talking about growth in terms of my accounts and everything, and I'm so happy, and that's why I keep on sharing this thing with you for free. So I went to the 1 hour time frame, and if you can remember very well, I shared with you here, and I said that I saw this pattern here. There was some sort of like a falling descending channel here. Then at the breakout and retest on the 15 minutes time frame, that's when I entered. And as you can see, we went up. This little consolidation went up, and now this thing is coming back. And I'm going to talk about this move. I'm going to share with you this and tell you why this thing is behaving how it is behaving, and why some people who took some buys have been taken out here. Okay, there's something called mass psychology. You know, most of the masses, the market has a way of behaving. Okay, and I want to explain that. So let me show you something shortly before we go on to that. So guys, you can see this was the setup. This was the signal I gave. I put this tool here because I was targeting 5.19, and you can see that the market was down here when I gave the signal. And then look at the results. Now look at this. This is beautiful. You can see that it has gone all the way up. Actually, we had targeted 5.19, but it went all the way up to almost 5.5 and 5.6, and now it's coming down. So you can see we had actually a zero drawdown. This was beautiful and this was massive. Okay, yeah. So let's continue. So you can see that this was beautiful. This was beautiful. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, this is where I was sharing about this. I said that I saw this thing here. So there was this pattern that formed here, and to me it was an indication that this was a reversal. Okay. So this was a reversal sign for me, and I was looking for buys because of this pattern that formed here. So I saw this, it was forming lower lows and lower highs. So I was waiting for a break and retest for me to enter, and you can see I entered at the retest. Then you can see it went all the way up, did some consolidation, and went further and further and further, and it actually never came back. So you can see that our target was 5.19, but you can see that the market went all the way up to around was 6.17. That's beautiful. So risking 1% to make 6.17 in just 2 days, that was massive. That is really massive, guys, and I'm so excited. I wanted to share this with you guys so that also you can be able to see that how these things are played out. So now if you go back to the 1 hour time frame, you can see here now what normally the market does, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys also. What normally the market does is that the market comes here. When it comes here, it breaks and does, as comes down as if it's going to do a retest. And if you're a support and resistance guy, you will see there's a breakout here, and then you will be going for buys. Then you do what? Then the market will sell and continue going down. So one of the things you must understand is that anytime, for example, if we had this was a movement like this, the market normally goes out, and does some little consolidation like this and comes back, and then a lot of people are caught on the wrong side because they think that this is a breakout and a retest. So a lot of people, are looking for buys, but we are anticipating for what? We are looking for sell because of the pattern that forms here, because this ascending channel here is an indication for us that the market is going to come down. And the same thing with sells. You see that if this was the movement, okay, no, let's say we are in a, let me delete this quickly. Let's assume that we are in a bearish market. Exactly. So let's say we were in a bearish market like this. So you see the market will be coming like this. Okay, so it will come and break out and do something like this, as if it's going to continue going down. Then it comes back inside. So you must always be careful of the pattern that forms here, because this is actually an indication that this market will come back inside, guys. So this is very powerful, and if you want to learn from me, you can always reach out to me. My free Telegram group is there. If you want signals, I'm sure we can also provide that service to you guys, so at a very small fee. So remember, everything you need to learn from us is on our Telegram. You can always reach me on Telegram group, or you can follow me on Instagram at EagleEyeFX31, and also you can DM me there, so that at least we can be able to talk and to see how we can can help you. So my Instagram handle is EagleEyeFX 31, all right? But my Telegram group, but the link on the description below will give you everything that you need. Now let me show you this thing as it was playing out, because I was taking screenshot as it was playing out, how it was going. Let me show you some results, all right? And the reason why we show all these results is not to show off, but it's just to encourage you out there that this thing is profitable, this thing is possible, and that you can do it. Okay, you can do it. Spend the time that you need to spend, learn the thing very well. You have to learn it very well, understand it very well before you jump into live market. Practice on demo until you see profitability, then you can be able to jump into the live markets. All right, let's look at it. So yeah, we started from here. You can see we took this trade just 2 days ago, 22nd of February 2022. So this was our first screenshot that we took when we had moved some few pips, and then moved here, the same trade, 368.32. We were still holding, but at this level we were already on break even to secure our positions. And then we moved here. You can see the same trades, so we kept trailing our stop loss, to just secure our trades. And then yeah, so we had some take profits already, but weren't by then. So you can see that at this level we are at 617.56 thereabout. And then finally, you can see one of our positions had already closed on take profit. So you see that we are at 890.18 and 8 whatever this 89.73. So we've already closed the position because we have already reached our target. So we've closed all the position, and now we want to see if the sell opportunities are valid. And then we'll just ride also the market to the downside. So guys, it is that simple, that simple. Nobody should lie to you. Nobody should complicate things to you. Yeah, so if you want to learn from us, guys, reach out. We can always help you. We can always teach you. We are going to be available to at least help you on that. So let me know in the comment section. Leave me a comment below, in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and then also if there are types of videos you'd like us to create, and then we'll be happy to do that. So these selling opportunities, if it is valid, actually will be anticipating all the way to this part. So once it is valid for me, and if I'm interested in this and I enter here, you see that I'll be targeting 8.12%, because this market has a potential of coming all the way to where this move started from. Then as you can see, we have our first touch here, then we have our second touch over here, then we've gotten our third touch over here. So I'm actually looking for selling opportunities all the way to this down here. It might not reach here, but at least it might come maybe 90%. That's why we have what we call the 90% truth. So guys, show some love, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Speak to us, reach me out on Instagram at EagleEyeFX31. Send me a message on Telegram. I'll be so happy to help you and to work with you in this channel. Thank you guys for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.